unclear requirements leading your project to delays and to unhappy customers? It's time to set an end to this frustration. In this video, I share powerful techniques to uncover the real needs of your customers and effectively communicate it to your team. Say goodbye to misunderstandings and say hello to successful outcomes with the 3 strategy of Ron Jeffries. So let's dive in immediately. The 3 C's stands for card, conversation and confirmation. So a card is a token about the requirements where you write down the requirements in a nutshell. And it could be also a physical thing. We often use Post-its for this to write it on it. And because you're limited on the tool, you will keep it very short. By having a physical token, you have something which is abstract put on something which is meaningful, and you can now sort against other requirements and you can also prioritize. And second is conversation. And why we have to stress this is because we know that in the direct communication lies the biggest effective, efficient way of transporting the requirements from the customer to the team, because it takes the context out and it's easy for the team to ask questions. The third one is confirmation. So the team is now building the requirement, but how do they know what is really expected out of the conversation? But now they also need to build it, and this requires that they can test it against some acceptance criteria. So they know that they are not building the golden tap when the requirement is only that water is coming out of a tap. So we want to be resourceful with our time and effort. And for this, it's important to have the confirmation what is really required. So what are now the benefits of creating and using the 3 C's? First of all, you will have better understanding of the requirements, you will have better communication with your customers, and you will have much better results, meaning your customer is happier what you're delivering, and your team is also more happy because they can deliver something meaningful which the customer then can really use. So now we talked about the 3 C's. Please check out my other video where I'm now helping you to prioritize the cards in a backlog and thus maximizing the value for your customer and for your team. And now I wish you an enjoyable and productive time. See you soon.